I can do that.
Hey everybody, today I'm just going to make a quick video to show you how to replace an old window sticker. To do this, you're going to need some window cleaner, some rubbing alcohol, a razor blade, some paper towels, and your replacement sticker. To start off, we're going to clean this area with the window cleaner. Now clean this so when you scrape it, it won't scratch your window. We're just going to scrape and peel. My sticker is really old. This thing's like 8 years old. So it's just kind of cracking off. Okay. And a newer sticker is going to have more residue on the end. Throw these pieces in the garbage. Now we're going to clean this area with rubbing alcohol, just to get the residue off. You may need to use a stronger cleaner depending on how much residue you have left. Now I want to just wipe this with some water. This is just a wet paper towel. And then dry it off. Now it's time to apply the new sticker, so we're just going to pull this backing off. Put the new sticker on. We're gonna bend our sticker in the middle and press it in the middle, and then press outwards. So any air bubbles will get pushed out towards the edge. Now we can pull this plastic piece off. Just gently pull it off, and it'll leave your sticker. So there you go. Now you know how to remove an old sticker, clean the surface, and replace it with a new sticker. This sticker, if you didn't know, is the symbol for the Mandalorians from Star Wars. So go Mandalorians. Hope you have good luck removing your stickers, and we'll see you next time. To start off, really?